Okay, back up for another Dynodaze video. We've got a beautiful, albeit dirty, Honda Integra DC5. Now, this car we've seen before. We ran a hydro sock experiment on it. So we have seen it before we modified it. And now we're going to tune it with an ECU exchange. So we've got a stock figure, and that stock figure is 217 brake horsepower. And we're going to see how far we get today. So here we go, guys.
Wow.
That's one loud DC5.
It is.
Dropped some bombs, made my day. Last map of the day as well.
Yeah, fourth one of the day.
Fourth one of the day, and it performed pretty well, didn't it?
Yeah, it did perform well. We've done a lot of work on this car over the week, though. We initially had it in for a health check. The vehicle was pulling, he said, all over the road, and check it out because the exhaust got a blow. Pretty much the exhaust was snapped in half on the car. Had a hydro sock on the induction kit, which we removed, and we did an initial run. This was a few weeks ago. Then we've had it in for a 4-to-1 decap manifold. We've had it in for a Skunk2 Megapower R exhaust, which is pretty rip roaring, to be fair, but I knew it would be
mega loud.
Yeah. We fitted. We found that we had playing one shock on the near side coilover. It was on BC's. Had really bad play in the shock, so he decided he wanted to change to yellow speed. So we've changed the coilovers to yellow speed coilovers. There was a bit of play in the front lower arm bushes as well, so we've swapped those out for poly bushes, and then we swapped on an ECU exchange and mapped it. So a few bits over the course of the week as we've been going through the week, and then yeah, we've sort of saved it up and got it on today, haven't we? From the ECUs.
Yeah, hopefully collecting Saturday. There is a lovely Honda meet this Saturday, so hopefully, I'm hoping this video goes out before that. But yeah, so he'll come down, you'll see loads of Hondas. It'll be cool. But yeah, it's done well, hasn't it? It's made power.
Oh, we made a chunk of power in the mid-range. We made a chunk of power up top end. Of those mods coupled with the map have obviously really unlocked some power.
I think I'd have a DC5.
I do like them. I do like them, but they're like most things. There's good ones and there's really bad ones.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So you just got to be careful what you buy, ain't you?
This one seems nice though.
Yeah.
Could do with a wash.
I could do with a bath.
Like Jeno.
Could do with a bath.
Could do with a bath. Right, let's look at the graph.
Yeah.
Okay,
have a look.
So there we go. Red line is as she came in. Blue line is as she leaves. Bags of power there. Screaming VTEC. Sounds so aggressive. And we finish on 238, which is 198 at the wheels. So there you go. DC5 is one of my favourite cars in the world. Thanks for getting to this point in the video, guys. If you did, I hope today is the day that you decide to subscribe to us. Code word for this is Megapower. Megapower, because that Skunk2 system looks lovely. And we'll see you all on the next one, won't we, Jeno? Jeno's got a little bit of work to do.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.